still guessing on SAT inference questions? Let's fix that in under 5 minutes.
SAT inference questions. Step-by-step strategy VocabBeast.
Welcome to VocabBeast. Today, we're breaking down SAT inference questions with the clearest strategy you've ever seen.
What is an inference? Not directly stated, but must be true based on the text.
Why are they tricky? Answers look convincing. Trap words. Always, never, completely. Brain fills in details. They're tricky for 3 reasons: misleading answers, extreme words, and overthinking.
5-step strategy. 1. Read carefully. 2. Find the lines. 3. Paraphrase. 4. Eliminate extremes. 5. Choose what must be true.
This strategy works. Follow each step and you'll never fear inference again.
Example.
Although Marcus didn't say it outright, his tone made it clear he wasn't happy with the decision. What can be inferred about Marcus? A. He agreed with the decision. B. He didn't care about the decision. C. He disagreed with the decision. D. He made the decision himself.
The correct answer is C, directly supported by the text.
Key takeaways.
Stay close to the text. Eliminate extremes. Pick what must be true.
If this helped you crush SAT inference questions, don't stop here. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because every week we drop new strategies to boost your score. Don't leave your SAT prep to chance. Join the VocabBeast community and get ahead of the curve.
Want to crush the SAT? Full guide here.
Great job! You've just mastered inference questions. But the SAT isn't only about strategy. Vocabulary can make or break your score. That's why I created a complete SAT vocab playlist with the most powerful words, examples, and tricks to remember them fast. Click right here on the screen to jump into the playlist and start boosting your word power. Don't miss it. Your higher score starts with vocab.